from morning sun. I feel the warmth upon my face has just begun. With every wave that kisses the shore, I find my spirit rising. It's what I'm living for. My feet sink in the sand, grounding me so deep, like I'm part of the earth where my dreams can seep. Nature sings its serenade, a calming lullaby, with the sound of gentle breezes. Hear my spirit fly, fly free like the birds in the open sky. Feel the wind beneath my wings, watch me soar and fly. Oh, the world is vast and wide, a canvas without end. Every view a new surprise. With the tide, it can mend. I see for miles across the deep blue sea, like looking into the soul of what could be. The horizon stretches out, calling me to roam. In this magical moment, I finally found my home. The rolling clouds, they move like whispers in the air, painting the sky with colors, life's beauty laid bare. Morning greets a canvas, evening flows too slow. Every stroke a masterpiece, just waiting for the glow. Fly free like the birds in the open sky. Feel the wind beneath my wings, watch me soar and fly. Oh, the world is vast and wide, a canvas without end. Every view a new surprise. With the tide, it can mend. Imagine every sunrise, a gift wrapped in light. Each dawn a new beginning, chasing away the night. As the stars fade gently, a new day's on the rise. With every breath I take, I find the peace inside. The sounds of nature whisper, they dance upon the breeze. In this moment I'm alive, my heart is at ease. A beautiful moving picture, every morning, every eve. Never the same, always changing in this life. We believe each moment is a treasure. I let my spirit blend with the rhythm of the ocean and the magic that won't end. So I close my eyes and breathe it, let the essence flow. With the sun upon the water, it's a great mystic show. Fly free like the birds, this journey is so grand. With the universe surrounding, it's a dreamland hand in hand. As we move through life together, finding joy in what we see. Every wave upon the shore, every day we can speak.